To enable theft protection in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here select security and privacy. Move down and click on device unlock and then look for the theft protection. When you open it, then there's multiple different options for theft detection. First one is remote lock. If your device is lost or stolen, you can lock its screen with just a phone number. So if you act fast, you'll be able to click on this and you have this option enabled. You'll be able to lock your phone using your phone number if they didn't remove the SIM card. So how it works is you go to the android.com/lock, enter your phone number right there, and that way you'll be able to lock your screen if the card is not removed. Then there's find and erase your device. You'll be able to use the Google Hub app, and then if you have this app and have everything activated, you'll be able to lock and erase everything from your device, and you can see your device right here. If you're operating on something else like your PC, you'll be able to click on it and then enter the settings to erase everything. Next thing is theft detection lock. You can enable this and that way your screen should lock if someone will grab your phone and start running with it. So if your phone itself detects that somebody just picked your phone and started running, then the screen should lock. Next thing is offline device lock. If your phone disconnects from any internet connection, mobile network or Wi-Fi, then it will basically lock itself as well. And usually what people that steal devices do is they instantly disable any network options. So that is great. If you want, you can use it. Lastly, you can your device there's a SIM lock. Your device will be locked if the linked SIM card is removed, and this works great if you're using the option for remote lock. If somebody removes a SIM card from your device, then it should lock on its own as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.